Now continuation of previous video. Number 7. Show that tan 15 degree plus tan 75 degree equals to sec square 15 degree by root over sec square 15 degree minus 1. Here first I have to check whether they are complementary or not. Now 15 plus 75, if I'll add 90 is coming, so they are complementary angles. Now I will convert any angle in terms of other angle. That means either 15 in terms of 75 or 75 in terms of 15 degree. Now right hand side you have noticed it is given, all the angles are given in 15 degree. So better you will convert 75 in terms of 15. Now left hand side, from left hand side I have started. Tan 15 degree plus tan 75 degree equals to, I am converting 75 in terms of 15. So 75 means I can write 90 minus 15. 90 degree minus 15 degree. You know tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. So here it is coming cot 15 degree. Now tan 15 plus cot means again in terms of tan it is 1 by tan. Cot means 1 by tan 15 degree. Now take the LCM. LCM is tan 15 degree and here tan square 15 degree plus 1. Now tan square 15 means you know 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So here we can write 1 plus tan square 15 degree means we can write sec square 15 degree. And denominator tan 15 means root over sec square 15 degree minus 1. How? Here you see sec square 15 degree minus tan square 15 degree equals to 1. So in place of tan square 15 degree I can write no sec square 15 degree minus 1. That I have written root over sec square 15 degree minus 1. So I have got my right hand side, hence proved. This is proved. Now go to the next one. Here it is given, if alpha plus beta equals to pi by 2, then prove that 1 plus tan alpha by tan beta plus sin square alpha plus sin square beta equals to 1 plus sec square alpha. Now you have noticed in left hand side there are both alpha and beta, but in right hand side only angle alpha is there. So from left hand side we will convert beta in terms of alpha. Now here what we can write, 1 plus, I am converting beta in terms of alpha, 1 plus tan alpha by tan 90 degree minus alpha. Why? Alpha plus beta equals to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. So from here alpha plus beta equals to 90 degree. That means beta equals to, I can write 90 minus alpha. So I have written here 90 minus alpha plus sin square alpha keep as it is plus again change sin square beta means 90 degree minus alpha. All the betas I have converted in terms of alpha. Now it is coming 1 plus tan alpha by tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. So tan 90 minus alpha means cot alpha plus sin square alpha plus sin square 90 minus alpha means cos square alpha. Now it is becoming tan alpha is there into 1 by cot alpha means tan alpha. So it is becoming tan alpha into 1 by cot alpha means tan alpha. So 1 plus tan square alpha. Right, see here. 1 by cot alpha means tan alpha. So 1 by cot alpha, tan alpha. So 1 tan alpha is there. So tan alpha into tan alpha means 1 plus tan square alpha. Plus, this is the formula, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equals to 1. I have written here. Now you know 1 plus tan square alpha means sec square alpha and plus 1. 1 I am writing first. So this is the formula, 1 plus tan square alpha means sec square alpha. Now look, right hand side you have to prove that 1 plus sec square alpha. I have got 1 plus sec square alpha. The right hand side I have got, this is proved. Now find the simplified value of this. Clear? Now here so many angles are given. First you have to find out from here which pair are complementary angles. You see 43 there, 44, 45, 46, 47. Now if I'll add 43 and 47, I'll get 90. Clear? I'm writing over here 43 degree plus 47 degree equals to 90 degree. This is one pair. And another pair is 44 and 46. 44 degree plus 46 degree. This is also 90 degree. And sin 45. Sin 45 value we know from table. So this value directly we can put. Now see, here I am writing this and this together first. Sin square 43 degree plus sin square 47 degree plus, now these and these together, sin square 44 plus sin square 46 plus, this is separated, sin square 45 degree. Now this one I'll keep unchanged and another I'll convert to other term. So here sin square 43 I am writing as it is plus, now changing 47. 47 I am writing 90 minus 43. 90 degree minus 43 degree. Okay. Plus here also. First one I am keeping unchanged. Sin square 44 degree plus sin square 46 means we can write 90 minus 44. I am writing over here 90 degree minus 44 degree. And sin square 45. We know sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square. Now again by property of complementary angle, what we can write here? Sin 90 minus theta means cos theta. So here we can write cos square 43 degree. Similarly, you see the second term, sin 90 minus theta means cos theta. So we can write here cos square 44 degree plus 1 by root 2 whole square means half. Now here sin square theta plus cos square theta, one formula, that is 1, plus this is also formula 1 plus half. So it is becoming 2 plus half. Now take LCM, 4 plus 1. So your answer is 5 by 2. Now see next. If A and B are complementary angles, prove that sin A plus sin B whole square equals to 1 plus 2 sin A into sin B. Now from left hand side I am starting. Sine A plus sine B whole square. A and B are complementary. So A plus B equals to 90 degree we can write. Now left hand side, sine A, don't change, plus sine B, convert in terms of A, 90 degree minus A. From here B equals to 90 degree minus A whole square. Now we know sine 90 minus A means cos A. So here we can write cos A whole square. Now A plus algebraic formula, A plus B whole square means sin square A square plus B square plus 2A into B. Now sin square A plus cos square A means 1 plus 2 sin A into cos A. Now here you have noticed right hand side it is given 1 plus 2 sin A into sin B. Now we have got 1 plus 2 sin A into cos A. So I will convert this in terms of B. Now here we can write 2 sin A into cos A means I can write 90 degree minus B. From here A means 90 degree minus B. Now this equal to what we are getting, 1 plus 2 sin A into cos 90 minus B means sin B. Sin B. We have got our right hand side proved. Now here tan theta into tan 4 theta equals to given 1. Find the value of tan 5 theta. What is given? From here I am starting. Tan theta into tan 4 theta equals to 1. So tan 6 theta equals to, I can write 1 by tan 4 theta. That means tan 6 theta equals to 1 by tan means cot 4 theta, or tan 6 theta equals to cot in terms of tan. I can write tan 90 degree minus 4 theta. In all the steps in trigonometry, as you have noticed that I am applying many formula. So you have to keep it in mind. Now tan 6 theta equals to tan 90 minus 4 theta. So from both sides if I will cancel tan, so I am getting 6 theta equals to 90 degree minus 4 theta. Now 6 plus 4, 4 theta bring left hand side, tan theta equals to 90 degree. That means theta is coming 90 by tan 9 degree. Now you have to calculate the value of tan 5 theta. Now I am putting over here tan 5 theta means tan 5 into 9 degree. That means tan 45 degree. Value of tan 45 is 1. This is your answer. Now from many books and from your board book also I have solved many problems. Now I think your doubt will be clear. Now you practice. Okay, bye.